Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're about to link Google Analytics to Google Ads. First, confirm you have admin access in both accounts so you can change settings. Once logged in, open Analytics Admin and navigate to Property Settings. Make sure the Ads account is visible. Then enable Ads data sharing and turn on auto-tagging in Google Ads. This ensures click data flows. If you haven't yet, match account email addresses or invite the Ads account as a user with admin rights, so you can proceed immediately. Now you'll create the link group. In Analytics Admin, choose Google Ads Linking, click New Link Group, then select the Ads account. S to connect. Make sure to tick the relevant views so Analytics data is shared. Once linked, you can import goals or e-commerce conversions. Go to Google Ads Conversions, choose Import, pick Google Analytics, and map goals to Ads conversion actions. Make sure to enable personalized advertising and data sharing options, so remarketing lists populate and conversion attribution aligns. Finish by validating the connection. Check link status in Analytics and confirm gclid auto-tagging is active in Google Ads. Then click Test Ads and monitor incoming hits. Once done, verify imported conversions appear in Google Ads. Allow 24 to 48 hours for data to populate and attribution to settle. If metrics look off, make sure time zones match, filters aren't excluding traffic, and cross-domain tagging is configured correctly. These are the most common culprits when clicks or conversions don't align.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.